ALM is a leader in the positioner industry. We offer a product that has a smaller footprint, higher capacities, faster speeds than most of our competition.
Positioning equipment is used to lift, rotate, hold weldments and assemblies. Kind of anything that can't be lifted by a person and needs to be welded or assembled, that's an application we'd like to look at.
One of the big things that sets ALM apart from the competition is that we do a lot of customization for our customers. We have a lot of custom options that are standard for us, but we also listen to what the customer needs and try to fulfill those needs with whatever customization we have to do.
The benefit of having a customized system with the Windchill and EAC was the ability to allow us to grow and do more with little impact. So we didn't have to start from scratch.
Before EAC, there was always a chance that the wrong information could get to the floor, or not the most efficient information would get to the people that need it. And with EAC and Windchill, it helps us put the right information out on the floor to make everything just more efficient.
Before, we were using folders, trying to track them manually. We'd lose control. Somebody would modify it and you wouldn't know. So EAC's allowed us to really dive in and keep track of that and reduce the amount of people it requires to handle that much information.
So having Windchill eliminates a lot of errors in assembly because they have the right information, and it eliminates things going out the door to the customer that wasn't right. We probably save about 4 hours per job in just front-end bomb load, getting information into the ERP system, which has been huge.
In today's world, everybody needs things built for them because they're trying to do more with less. So we really fit into that niche very well of being able to have a customer come into us with a request and say, yeah, we can make that happen for you.
Customers tend to want what they want, and a lot of times we can get the order over our competition because we're willing to customize it for them. And Windchill and our new ERP system makes it very easy to manage those customizations and make sure that we have the material in stock on time to meet those needs.